Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. My name is Nurish BINTI Hazlan. I'm a third year student from Computer Science, Network and Security. My supervisor is Dr. Zafran bin Zaly Shah. And today, I will be presenting my final year project proposal titled Lost and Found Item Management System for Shopping Malls. In today's presentation, I'm going to cover 6 content, which are problem background, purpose solution, objectives, scopes, project requirements, and related words. As we all know, shopping malls are really busy places where visitors often to lose personal items such as a wallet, phones, and bags, and many more. From my observations at the local shopping mall, I discovered that the current lost and found process is still fully manual. When an item is found, it is placed at the information counter, and staff need to make an announcement throughout the mall to find out who is the owner. This manual system is very slow, inefficient, and prone to human error because staff must to record every item in a logbook and manually track updates, which takes a very lot of times and often causes confusions. The records are also hard to search, and sometimes the information is lost and recorded twice. Like during the peak hour, when there are many customers, the process becomes even slower and more difficult to manage. Therefore, it shows the more efficient and a secure digital solution to manage lost and found items in a shopping mall. The proposed solution for this project is to create a web-based lost and found item management system that automates the reporting, recording, and verification process for lost and found items in the shopping malls. It allows authorized mall staff, such as customer service and security, to record and search items digitally instead of using manual logbooks. This system uses an encrypted platform to prevent data loss, minimize human error, and ensure safe communication between departments. Additionally, a secure authentication process will be implemented so the only legitimate and authorized user can view or update item records. This will help reduce the risk of fraudulent claims and ensure all the item management process are accurate and secure. The objectives of this project is first to recognize and examine the existing issues in handling of the lost and found in the shopping malls using a survey and first-hand observation. Second is to develop and present a web-based lost and found item management system that will digitalize the reporting, tracking, and claiming of the lost items. Last, to assess the system's success in enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and data security as compared to the existing manual process. The scope of my project is focused on 3 main areas. The first is the project development, second is the system deployment, and its limitation. First, the project concentrates on the creation of a web-based lost and found item management system for shopping malls as an alternative to existing manual logbook system. The goal is to digitalize the process and make it more efficient and secure. Second, the system is developed an efficient tool for mall staff, particularly those in customer service and security departments. Through this system, they can record, track, and verify lost and found items easily using a centralized web platform. Third, the project covers both requirements analysis and design in FYP1 and system development and evaluation in FYP2, with Firebase being used as the main platform for database and hosting. For the deployment, the system will be installed and used internally within the shopping mall environments. It will be accessed through web browsers such as Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, and will be hosted on Firebase. The system also will be operated on a cloud computing through a secure HTTPS connections and will be allowing only authorized users to access and manage the data online. However, there are few limitations in this system. This system will be restricted to internal mall operations and does not connect to external agency or ID system. It also requires a stable internet connection since we use Firebase is an online-based platform. Additionally, this version does not include any advanced features like automated notifications or image recognitions, which may be added in the future upgrades. In order to make this project successfully, these are the project requirements are needed. As a software, I will use operating system Windows 11, VS Code for programming, Firebase for database, Canva to create the slide, Draw.io to create the ERD diagram, and for the Microsoft Word is to create the documentations. As a hardware, I'm going to use laptop with RAM that at least have a 4 GB and need an internet connections stable. For the technology, technique, method, algorithm, I will use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Firebase. The network elements needed is a web-based client server based on the internet. Firebase transmit data safely through the HTTPS protocol between the user and Firebase. Firebase Firestore offers synchronization of data in real time and data storage in the cloud. It is highly available and reliable using the cloud network of Firebase. The security elements is using a Firebase authentication and authenticate access and control access. Firestore security rules guards the information against unauthorized access. Information is transmitted and stored encrypted by HTTPS in a Firebase and put into the practice the main principles of securities, authentications, authorizations, and confidentiality. For the project area is a network security, which is a web-based application. For the related words part, I do some several research and articles that focus on the lost and found items management systems. So these are all the articles that I choose to review it. And that's all. Thank you.